Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer a copy of your information on your account sensor on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines. Now click settings, and now here you'll find the account sensor. You will find here password and security. Click on it. Now here you'll find your information and permissions. Click on it. Here, as you see, you'll find transfer a copy of your information. Click on it. Click next. Here it just choose anyone here and click connect, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.